Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tosin for those that are new here. As you could have seen from this video title, I'm going to be reviewing glasses. I got them from firmu.com. They were sent to me late last year and I just started to do the video now. They came in this packaging, as you can see. Really beautiful case. I absolutely love it. When I received the glasses, they came with a case like this and the glasses, a cleaning fabric, and I think two extra, I don't know what they are called, but those silicone like things in the tear duct, and this screwdriver and tiny screws in case anything gets lost. Now the interesting thing about this company is not just the glasses, it's how you order them. Now when you go on the website, you have the opportunity of uploading your own picture, which I did, as you can see here, and then you choose the frame that you like the most. And I eventually chose this one, even though I wanted square frames. As I was just going through it and I checked online, I'm like, you know what, let me get something really different. So I'm just going to wear it for you guys now so you can see. And the best part about, oh, this is so beautiful. I have my mirror here, let me check. What I like, I'm going to put the number of the glasses here. What I like about these glasses is the reflector. I don't know, I think my ring light is reflecting, but can you see this green cast? It's really nice. Every time I get compliments about it. So I'm going to put off my light and then we'll see naturally. Okay, let me increase the light on my camera as well. Okay, so these are the glasses naturally. They're so pretty. I like the look that it gives me. They're really nice. It's affordable. I ordered them, let me say, on a Monday, and I received them like on a Friday, and I ordered them to my house here in Glasgow, and they came like right on time. The good thing about this company is that they have like almost 1,000 different styles for you to choose. So if you're not someone that you're as bold as this, you want something a little bit more natural, or you want something that looks very geeky, there's always something for everyone. And currently they're doing a buy one get one off offer, which when you buy one you can get another one free on some selected items. So I definitely include that in the link below. Let me know if you're willing to try this out. I'm absolutely loving this right now. Like, let me do some demo shots. So that's all for my review. It's a really short review. They're glasses. They're not prescription lens, but they're really fancy. Like, even when I carry the case out in public, people are just like, ah, girl, you fancy. I like the fact that on the case it has like this map thing on it, which is really cool. And it has like countries like in Asia, Malaysia, Philippines, Korea, Japan. And I like that. It's really, I'm sure this is probably like maybe an Asian company. I'm not sure what country exactly, but their customer service is really good. They reply emails like this, and yeah. So that's about it with my review. It's a really short review. Let me know if you're gonna order. Let me know if you want this stuff, and let me know what you think about me on glasses. Let me know your thoughts below, and if you'll be ordering, I'll see if I can get a discount code, and I'll put it as well in the description box. So yeah, shout out to you, Firmu. Bye guys.